Members of the press, invitees, fans, friends, family. Good evening and welcome to the launch of Ras Ricky's new album, Ghetto Desperado. For those who don't know me, my name is Vesna Rakic and I am part of Team Ras. Thank you all for being here. We will commence with Ras talking a little bit about the album, with what inspired him. He will touch on promotion we have planned and cover some of the big radio play tracks we're expecting, and the club tracks as well. There'll be question time from the press, after which I will close the official part of the launch. There'll then be time to buy a CD or have one signed if you have one already. There's also a bucket promotion with Bavaria. Buy 5 bottles of beer at $2.49, and later dinner is available a la carte. Ras, over to you.
Yes, merci Vesna. Welcome everybody once again. On air. And once and for all of the people who've been here. I'm going to watch Richie, Cable Jones, Cable TV, Joanna Alafa, Tubanjimon Flori, Honorable Tompat, et avec le leader d'IS aussi, M. Boulet, et avec l'équipe qui est là, Bobby, Julia, Rasta Kevin, qui amène mon directeur de la philosophie, and I want to say welcome to my mom also, qui est là. Yeah, Ghetto Desperado. That's the 7 albums, not much, just 7 albums. Since around 17 years, came on the musical industry. Alright. And it's not like a telenovela kind of album where you're singing about love songs from track 1 to Z. It's more about what's going on in the ghettos of Seychelles Peninsula, I would say. From Landi to Prague to Mahe, all those ghettos. I'm just a voice. I've always been 17 years now to the music, just carrying what the people cannot say, and I'm the one to speak it out. And I would love to do it till the rest I don't know when. As for the promotion of this album, we have some clubs lined up. Après Salon aujourd'hui, we have some club lined up like Oxygen, le 23 septembre. And then we go in south, Aswalo, Belaza, all those places. Après, on a fait les tours, on descend un peu par Beauvalon, on descend par Bellom, bon, par Beauvalon, Bellom, Glace, nous les avons toussés. Et on a besoin de nous mettre un grand final, nous besoin d'un grand final avant l'année finie. On nous fait un grand final? Et on met du mettre un soir à l'eau, ouais. Nous n'avons pas beaucoup de vidéoclips so far. Non, des vidéoclips ready for this album. One is the Bam Bam video qui peut faire un peu de tour dans le screen and down, capable de faire check a look. That's sa sister qui est là. Julia and Ricky Ross après Pousseau qui va là pour les avoir avec nous. Chacotaina. Coming up, the next video it will SBC broadcasted. We have our can write on this. SBC commence broadcast a video, which means il faut broadcast après dans the next following Zilchun. Zilchun, you appelle le programme? Zilchun. The video is called Seychelles Till I Die. So that lyrics say, t'as le temps de s'écouter avec mon DJ là-bas. Quand on a un avec mon DJ, un DJ super, ça. Mais vient aussi avec Frank et tout un année, mon full kilo depuis bien longtemps. Et encore style, moi. Dis avant qu'il bonne presse, il commence, il bonne questions, that I'm very looking forward to. A word of thanks to the following: Paradise FM, Pure FM, Today in Seychelles, La Voix Production, the production, La Voix, production artist and the CD, and when qui participe au CD, passe un message de joke. All those who worked on the album, Sales, Kodo, the DJ, those who work with kita baik polo promo by Manju by Alex by Flory, kin and I was the betapa, the long time to betapa. Those who support me in any one of my friends, fans and family, my children, we can ask one love and I'll give them my to the press right away. The family was when I was there, you see, so most of the people more figgy. I wish you pay more figgy those original. Alright? So, ladies and gentlemen, la salle est ouverte pour quelques questions qui ont décidé.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Sylvie from Today in Seychelles, and I have quite a few questions for you, Rasriki. So I'm going to start off with, as the new brand ambassador for Bavaria, how do you plan to promote the brand here in Seychelles?
Good question. Well, just me being myself is already controversial to be. Which means that wherever I am going or wherever Get to Desperado is going to take me, Bavaria is coming along. And now we have that will be posters that will be carrying the brand wherever I go. That will be like video clips. And right now, probably like on the cable TV, to pay offer more like this weekly show, you know, people promote 10 best video clip. So definitely, I believe Bavaria do stand a chance to get promoted via this TV show. Yeah.
Okay. What is expected of you as the new brand ambassador? Excuse me.
I believe if maybe I would say yeah, I am popular, yes. I don't like to say it, but I believe I have to say it. I am, and from that, from knowing me and seeing me, so people will have to see Bavaria. So definitely, I will encourage wherever the outlet. I'm gonna be clubs, bars, you name it, restaurant. Wherever I'm there, I will encourage buying a Bavaria over Heineken or Sabre or something like this. Definitely.
Okay, last question. What message do you have for your fans?
Yeah. Well, guys, keep supporting, keep coming in and keep jamming. That's the message I have for you. The more you keep listening, the more I will keep jamming. I will say stuff more and more and more. Because I believe, and I love you all. And yeah, I love you all. This is one message. And stay positive, whatever you do. Yeah.
Thank you, Today in Seychelles. La voix, Johnny.
Ross, I actually have to answer your question.
Yeah, you do.
Why Get to Desperado? Why that title for the other?
Why Get to Desperado? It's because the word desperado sounds like Spanish already. It's like people are desperate in many corners of our island. People sometimes they don't see what to do, they don't know where to go, what to do, how to do. But I believe this album got some answers of their doubts or anything. That's the album, so that's why I say it's a Ghetto Desperado kind of album. Because instead of being desperately moving from ghetto to ghetto, you might find an answer into that. I can take you somewhere to be somebody, to be a person. Because I believe Seychelles people are educated and well informed and they are sharp. So if you don't know what to do, listen to this album. We got something in there for you.
Still on the song itself, Get to Desperado. What is the message you are channeling there?
The song goes like, lyrics, listen. When I do Illuminati and them a praise Baphomet. Ils autres m'appellent repel, non, c'est magnet. Mon mode d'expérience, les autres pieds dans la chance. Ça qui m'a connaît, c'est qui m'a devant. Beaucoup de distance. Chaque jour, dans mon chien, des gandis, dans mon lance. C'est la CIA, dans mon philosophie, avec l'intelligence. Ma cosmos, il y a la vie. Oui, éclairci ma conscience. So, on va vous en give up. Is qui, voilà qui m'a préféré within that song as being desperately living on a ghetto. I'm like searching for those philosophies out of those Gandhi or Marcus Garvey or when I to someone icon can teach righteousness of this world. Bob Marley, I listen aside and started from King David, you know, from the Bible and all that, Solomon and everything. You know? So this is what that song is all about. And it goes like, a cause man gato desperado. E mo pare pou paris la ban moment difficile, mo sa ye fado. Mo fwe kat marizam la place gado. This is it just come out so. This is called inspiration. This is called inspiration. It's in the album. A lot of those inspiration is in the album. Like the Seychelles Till I Die. Like for example, a lot of people in the society, they drink and drunk and do all sorts of nastiness, foolishness. Nobody thinks about those. Nobody thinks about after getting drunk, fighting on the road or whatever, you go home and beat your wife or whatever. People doesn't sing those things. They just go, they call the police and they make statement. But nobody actually write a poems or something. I have a song that said "Blam to the alcohol." On this album. You see, I have to like, I stand and fight, but I have to be inspired. N'a pas grand affaire finale, si son la moitié autres. Encourage plus ban artiste, encourage ban artiste plus ban maman, ils donnent beaucoup. Écoute-nous lever l'argent pour nous faire un chanson dans le studio. Un chanson, par exemple, faire 22, avec dit définitivement nous à peu près 60 000 roupies qui montent dans le studio. Alright, un chanson peut coûter à peu près 2500, 3000 roupies, dépend who's working on it. If you got 20s, then you can get a budget. So, on nous décourage pirate, on nous fait un peu plus campagne, quand on a des leaders comme il a, nous les autres encourage the downfall of pirate, of Djiloupeji. No pirate, as original, pas faire pirate, arrêtez avant ça faire, nous d'accord, avant de cherry, nous pouvons faire un de cherry bientôt. Là, encourage plus artistes, de façon qui, nous aussi nous encourage pour nous venir continuer à le studio dans une bonne petite chanson. Et pas de ça, enjoy cette Bavaria, parce que les Bavaria, les valeurs marquées sur le Bavaria, là, là, vous savez? Hip hip hip! Ah, ça tue bon là!
We have one more question. One more question.
Yeah.
Ras, comment est-ce ou dans la musique, qui message mon pour bon dimon qui servi héroïne, pour bon maman qui servi héroïne, et mon connais autres bon même maman qui vraiment apprécie la musique, qui message mon pour les autres?
Alright. Mon papa pour moi Sambo, mon papa pour moi mon parole. Aina, when I was in Angleterre, I was 19 years old. When we still go to, why? Because I wanted to be closer to the studio. Yes? As when we still go to Angleterre, because I wanted to be closer to Jetstar. And Jetstar is one of the biggest radio studio production in England. I'm trying to search it down South Woolwich every morning to come up to moi je sais pas trop loin pour moi. Alors je vais essayer de tailler. Alors dans les questions, lorsqu'à quel moment est-ce que moi-même il ne pas panique ça. No and parmi Banado côté ça quoi is the headquarters. Where they are running is the headquarters is exactly where I'm living at the moment. Qui m'ont fait? I'm always encourage my mind into sports. Do sports. Alright? If you see who pas faire sport, ou soit pas actif, ou pour ne rien faire. Ça veut dire, on peut décourager pour ne rien faire, on peut encourager pour être actif. Come with me to the studio, come with me to the clubs, come with me on stage. I love it sing. And sing, what the pastor souffrance have come and we sing about it. I'm sure on a platform as we did, on peut monter fille, monter garçon, mettre des paroles là ou là. À cause de l'écoutement. De t'écouter, vous les autres écouter. So, qui m'ont dit, m'ont découragé ça va dire, on doit servir. Définitivement, on peut décourager. Mais, si je peux espérer mon parole, ça peut dans la bouche, on peut dire, I'm 100% en faveur de la légalisation of marijuana dans sa pays. Définitivement. Ça m'a quoi, il y a besoin de final solution, qui fait que nous allons sauter là-dedans pour le moment. Mais bon, pas de solution finale. C'est pour le dire que même l'homme toi, puis maintenant. Alors, l'autre. So, mon père de courage, il pas vrai, ça fait, on commence film, on filme marijuana pour pas de héroïne. Mon papa, mon grand-maman, moi, tant de titan, moi, quand j'avais 15 ans, et t'as eu moi, tu m'as qu'un bidou, là, son petit assis, c'est la bête à raconter. Et t'as eu moi, quand j'avais 5 ans, et tu as dans son petit tabac du pays, il pas dit ça, quand il malade, ok. Right? So, yeah. Le monde de courage, héroïne, 110%. Merci.
Another question?
Yeah.
Last question. There's a song on your album called Unite.
Yeah.
Is there any special message behind that song? Are you trying to unite? How are you trying to unite our country politically or?
Alright. The word unite already. Même sa fille qui fait feature avec moi là, il parle c'est là. Lui, il sortit la réunion. Malkidja, il a vu ici, nous travaillons. Enfin, depuis la Maurice, nous sommes camarades, nous travaillons. Mais nous because unite, unification, nous because nous sommes union. Avec dit l'union, il fait la force. Et nous because l'unité, nous because c'est nécessaire l'unité. Après l'unité, c'est nécessaire, la cause, nous n'avons pas cessé loi, c'est cessé, nous avons cessé loi, everywhere. Au revoir. Là, nous pouvons unite against any cause qui peut faire le downfall. Nous besoin unis pour nous stand up as nous go down. That's the unity I'm talking about. So love, yeah, union, unity, love. Qui n'est pas qui différence couleur, race, religion qui ont été, ou musulman, ou hindou, chrétien, ou blanc, ou sinon, whatever, we unite. That's the key to every success and progress and about keeping unity. Yes?
Okay, great. Thank you very much for your questions. Thanks, Russ. Before we close, I'd just like to point out, I know Russ has mentioned these people already, but I'd just like to point them out, specifically some of the team members who made tonight possible, including Alexander Pierre, Michael Bouchot-Antwi, Flori Larry, from Team Russ, from Team Bavaria, Harry Savi, Josiane Derby, and the team on Prada. Thank you so much. Thank you too to Dolce Vita, Giuseppe, and your team for hosting us. We hope all of you will come back for a drink or a meal at La Dolce Vita in the near future. And again, a big word of thanks to all of you who have supported Russ in one way or another, directly or indirectly, through this journey. We've been very privileged to work with you. We've been through Russ the Redeemer, Russ the Revolutionist.
Russ the Prophet.
But now we enter into a new phase of, through this album, celebrating Russ the artist. And now for the fun part. Cheers, enjoy the rest of the evening.